Do you struggle with learning how to braid? Are you frustrated to no end so much so that you want to punch the nearest living being? Forget it! You thought it was a real person, didn't you? If so, then you're probably gonna love this video because I'm gonna be showing you on my lovely mannequin Catherine here how to do an overhand braid. By the way, if you like this video, do me a favor and leave it a thumbs up as a like. And if you find it useful and you'd like more content like this, please be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications because it's basically the new subscribe button these days on YouTube. That was tons of shade towards YouTube. For the sake of simplifying, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Alright you guys, so once you've placed the hair into the ponytail, you'll want to split it into 3 pieces. So I'm going to just go for 1, 2, and 3. Just like so. Now, if you're just starting out, don't worry about trying to get these perfectly even. Focus on getting your rhythm first, and then once we've got rhythm down, we'll go ahead and work on getting the hair even and all of that. You don't want to stress on the little stuff. Remember, at this point, it's about progression more than it's about perfection. So we're gonna take our strands like this here, and you want to remember that the middle strand is always gonna move to one side or the other. So if I'm coming from the right side into the middle, then that middle strand that was once there has now become my outside strand. Okay, so that being said, we're gonna start from the beginning. So I've got my middle strand here, and I'm gonna start over here on my right, just like I did a moment ago. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that right strand and place it over the middle and pull the middle strand over here. So basically all they did is kind of trade places. So we've got right over middle, and then it became my middle strand. From there, I'm gonna come in with my left strand and place it over the middle like so. It has now become my middle strand. From there, we go back to the opposite side, which is our right side, and we start again with right over middle, just like so. Now you want to keep this pattern down. So if you're brand new to this and you have a little bit of difficult time remembering what comes next, you just want to keep that pattern, and it helps to talk it out loud. So you just go left over middle, right over middle, left over middle, and right over middle. And you would literally just continue that pattern all the way down to the end of the hair. Now an overhand braid like this is widely used in French braiding. So if you're needing to learn how to French braid, I have a tutorial for that as well. And once you have this down, that would be the perfect tutorial for you to go to. Of course, if you guys like this video and you found it useful, please become a member of the GlamFam by clicking the subscribe button, and do me one better, become a Glambassador by turning on those post notifications so you can know every time we post new instructional content like this here. Of course, if you found it helpful, you need added assistance, be sure to let me know down in the comments below what else you need help with, and I'll either see if I can make a tutorial for it, or I'll answer your question directly in the comments. Until next time, you guys, take care, God bless, and stay glam. And you know I love you, boo. Bye. Some mannequins may have been harmed in the filming of this video.